In this video, I'm going to show you how to reset all settings on your iPhone. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first, open up Settings and there get into General. Here, scroll down to the very bottom and there hit Add Transfer or Reset iPhone. Then tap on Reset and here select Reset All Settings. Now there it asks you to enter your passcode and there you may hit on Reset All Settings. This will reset all settings and your Apple Pay cards, keys and passes will be removed. No data or media will be deleted. So you can now hit Add Reset All Settings and reset settings of your device to defaults. You may be sure that you wouldn't lost any media or data. That's how it works. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe.